Every 500, you show up ahead of us. What about Trooper? You actually said 63 to 123. Stop there, go ahead. You got a parking spot. South Cedar Street.
123 to the walk on primary.
Table 123, they're trying to get it patching at PASP.
Speeds are real slow. I don't know if a TVI will be successful unless we get up to a wall or something. We are eastbound, quarter mile from Scott Hamilton, number 2 lane. Speeds are like 25 right now. They're corresponding.
We're approaching Scott Hamilton. At 19, 6:30 and 30.
I'm afraid if I TVI right now, it may just put us going the wrong direction. We're coming upon Scott Hamilton. Speeds are 28, 30. Occupied 2 times. Looks like an adult male driver, adult female, front seat passengers.
Keyboard speeds 20 and 30, occupied 2 times. 47, we're up on 10 and 10 times. 47, 10 that up. 10, 19 times.
TVI, Little Rock, Scott Hamilton exit.
TVI, Scott Hamilton. Dr. 20.